Truth about self-awareness. Self-awareness is like an onion. There are multiple layers to it, and the more you peel them back, the more likely you're going to start crying at inappropriate times. The first layer of the self-awareness onion is a simple understanding of one's emotions. This is when I feel happy. This makes me feel sad. Unfortunately, there are many people who suck at even this most basic level of self-awareness. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. We all have emotional blind spots. Often they have to do with the emotions that we were taught were inappropriate growing up. It takes years of practice and effort to get good at identifying blind spots in ourselves and then expressing the affected emotions appropriately. The second layer of the self-awareness onion is an ability to ask why we feel certain emotions. Why do you feel angry? This layer of questioning helps us understand the root cause of the emotions that overwhelm us. Once we understand that root cause, we can ideally do something to change it. The third level is our personal values. Why do I consider this to be success, failure? By what standard am I judging myself and everyone around me? This level is incredibly difficult to reach, but it's the most important because our values determine the nature of our problems, and the nature of our problems determines the quality of our lives. Everything we think and feel about a situation ultimately comes back to how valuable we perceive it to be. Follow for more.